special day will not be a success without the hard work of people who are there to support us. First, thank you to God. Thank you to God Almighty for all the blessings He showered upon us. To our teachers, Teacher Lina and especially Teacher Carol, who gave their tender, loving care and patiently teach us with all the lessons. Indeed, we will never forget you. To my classmates who are with me to study, play, and sometimes be naughty, thanks for you all became my friends. Most of all to all our parents for the never-ending love they showed us. To my Mama Maru and Papa Dole, as I grow up and soon be in grade 1, I will still be your Kuya Jiro. I love you very much. Most of all graduates, this is not goodbye but see you till we meet again. Thank you and God bless us all.
Thank you very much, Jensen.